I started off with the basic beginner's meditation course, which made meditating as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like if you can breathe and you can count, you can meditate. Made it as simple as that. His teaching is so easy to understand. Doing the letting go, letting be program, that has changed my life in such a way that I can't put it into words. It's like I'm breathing for the first time in my life. Like I've been walking around unconscious most of my life, and I've finally become aware and conscious of my life and who I am and what I am capable of as a human being, as a person. And I have learned to let go of the past, which damaged me and crushed me to the point of heart failure, basically. And my life came to a dead stop. And this is where everything changed for me, because I put Giovanni's program into action. And that's the key. And if you follow what he is saying and you apply it to your life, changes happen. And I mean big changes. I don't look anything like I did 12 months ago or 2 years ago. I have people coming up to me saying, "You look incredible. You've lost age." And it isn't that I've lost age. It's just that I'm becoming me. I'm starting to really open and bloom and become a whole person, not just walk around unconsciously through life, just stumbling through and thinking everything was okay. Because I had been carrying around so much pain, so much baggage with all the physical damage that was done to my body growing up as a child and the bullying that I copped and everything. It really did lead me down a really heavy road. And I found it very hard to come back from there. And it's like I'm living for the first time in my life, like really living. If you have any interest in bettering yourself or becoming more centered and whole, more complete with your life, have a look at liveanddare.com. It's a change that you'll never regret. It's a step that you will never regret, because it's one giant step forward for you. It really is. And you'll find that there are many more to follow. And I look forward to continuing learning through Giovanni and his lessons, because they really are life-changing if you apply them and do the groundwork. Giovanni, I can't thank you enough. You are an amazing teacher, and I just, from my heart, want to thank you, because the changes that are happening in my life are very real and something I've needed for a very long time. And you've allowed this to take place by showing me ways to become whole and complete.